Well, hello everybody. It's Doug Rucker again with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com, and we are located right here in Houston, Texas. We are in Porter, just north of the Humble-Kingwood area. So if you're ever in the area, stop in and see us, and also all of you guys across the United States. We appreciate all of your orders as we do ship pretty much anywhere we can. So thank you so much. If you ever have any questions about our store products, you can email info@DougRuckerStore.com or call or text 281-612-1223. Hey, I had an opportunity yesterday to use this new Karcher Eco Boost nozzle. And man, I loved it. This thing was great. So I'm going to talk a little bit about that, show you some video using it coming up next. Yeah, so yesterday I was cleaning a church and had gotten this nozzle, the 1/4-inch nozzle. It's called the Eco Boost nozzle from Karcher. And so I tried it out yesterday on the church, and I was just kind of blown away at how useful it was. I really loved the wider fan pattern, the wider spray pattern that I can get on it versus your traditional 1/4-inch meg type nozzle like a 2510 or 2520 that's part of the J-Rod. So I use this on my 5-gallon per minute machine. This was a really dirty church, aluminum siding, metal siding, and had not been cleaned in quite a few years. And so, of course, as we all know, when you're applying the bleach, it doesn't do anything but change the color of that algae and also kill it for, wherever the bleach can reach. So if it can get to the root, it'll kill it. But basically, it's changing the color of it. And on really, really bad places where it's just the algae or the mildew is just really thick or has been on there a long time, while it's going to change the color, you're going to need to use a little pressure, what I call a little encouragement. And so that's why I really liked using this nozzle because it gave me a wider fan pattern and I was able to clean faster, but it wasn't a ton of pressure. It wasn't too much pressure, a little bit more than a 2510 or a 2520. But I just really liked how it cleaned a wider path, and then I could also stay off the surface a little bit, come off the surface so it's not hitting it too hard if I needed to. It worked great on dirt daubers, wasp nest, all of that kind of thing. So again, it's the first time I used it, but I used it quite a bit yesterday on the job to get some of those areas on the siding where it just wasn't releasing. It needed a little bit more encouragement. So today is Sunday, November 2nd. You'll see this on Tuesday, November 4th. This video, and by then I hope to have them ordered, and hopefully they'll be in the following Friday or Monday. But I think it's a great tool to use. I think they're going to retail for about 75 bucks, somewhere in that area. Might sound a little pricey for a nozzle, but I love this thing. I'll show you how I use it and what I do to kind of change to help limit too many nozzle change outs and that type of thing. Don't forget, coming up, our next school is November 8th. That'll be in just a few days. We have that both in Valdosta, Georgia with Judd West, and then myself here in Houston. We've already got 2 or 3 signed up for both locations. We still have room for a couple more. I don't like to get the classes too big. So if you're interested in signing up, just go to PressureWashingSchool.com/events. But also on the home page is the class schedule right there as you pull it up. and you can sign up for either one, whether Georgia's closer for you or if you want to come to the Houston one. If you have any questions about what we do at the school, feel free to email me, learn@pressurewashingschool.com, or you can call or text 281-883-3630. Now, in addition to the hands-on training and classroom training that we do once a month, we also have the online school available. If you can't make it to either location, that's a great opportunity for you to learn from the comfort of your home. There's over 200 something videos that I've built up over the last 12 years. I promise you, it will drastically cut your learning curve if you're just starting a new business. That is what it's for. And then we also have the point training. That's personal, on-site, individual, next level training, where we can come to your location, or you can come here and we can set up an actual job site and give you more individual personalized training if you'd like to do that. Again, email learn@pressurewashingschool.com, call or text 281-883-3630, and you can learn on screen or you can learn on scene. So basically what I do, I've got a gun that I just use with, it's got a piece of pine straw. It's got just a regular, this is the economy trigger gun, star-shaped grip, and 47-inch. And so I just take it and I put it on this gun and this wand, and I just leave it on there. I don't, it's a dedicated gun and wand for this nozzle only, and I just put it wherever I want it, lay it out close to where I know where I'm going to be using it, so I can just quickly change the whole gun setup and everything. Because sometimes I'm using a short gun or a shorter wand, or I'm using the adjustable wand or whatever. So that's how I do it. So it just stays on this gun pretty much the whole time, this gun and wand setup. So that helps me kind of eliminate having to change this out. You have to change it out at the gun, which is pretty much the same thing, but I just found a lot of times on these guns and wands, I just have dedicated setups with nozzles in them. So all I have to do is just change the gun and go from there. Just a personal preference thing that I've come to like, and so that's how I do it. All right, everybody, hope this has been helpful for you. I really like this nozzle. There's so many things that come along and they're called a game changer, but I think this is really going to help me quite a bit, and I just really loved using it yesterday. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to just comment below and ask the question. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can subscribe to the channel, then hit the bell, and that will send you notifications anytime I have something that come out that could be useful for you. So thanks so much for watching, and y'all have a very, very blessed day.